Okay, what I've got today is the CJRB hunting camping knife. So this is an EDC knife. It is an everyday carry, so you can carry this every day. It does lock. It has the blade lock, which you just push to the side right here, and it goes back, and it is magnetic right there. So it has the place where you can put your finger. You can just flip it open. It has a place for your thumb hole, so you can open it with your thumb. I like the shape of this knife. It's very nice. This handle has a very nice grip. You can also open it with your other hand and just open it, and I love how you can just like fling that open just like that. And it is a sharp knife straight out of the box. Super sharp. Give me a slice of an apple here. Just go ahead and just cut that apple. Cut right into there. So look, you can just get that. Look how pretty that smooth is. Look how nicely that cut. Pretty cool. Love this design, love this style. It looks so cool. And it cuts so well. You saw it cut the fruit. Now let's see what it does on like a stick. This is a CJRB Caldera tactical knife or camping knife. One thing I did not mention is the handle of this blade has a steel clip so that you can clip it in your pocket or in your belt right there. And if you prefer to carry this with a lanyard, you can actually use a lanyard as well. It has a hole for the lanyard right there. So this would be great for fishing, hiking, any type of outdoor activities. Like if you're in the wild, you need to clean fish or something, you can use this knife for that. I mean, it has all kinds of uses. Obviously, if you're a person that likes stuff like this, you know, you can definitely use this CJRB Caldera tactical / camping knife in many different ways. CJRB camping / tactical knife. This is a paid sponsored video.